Welcome to the world of advanced Excel. In this tutorial, we will discuss the advanced features of Excel, which aims to take your Excel skills to the next level and equip you with advanced techniques that can streamline your workflow and help you make more informed decisions based on data. We will start with reviewing some basic concept of Excel so that everyone is on the same page. Next, we will embark on a journey to understand the use of cell referencing and name ranges. Moving forward, we will gain insight into different types of functions in Excel, namely text, math, dates, and conditional functions. Delving deeper, we will explore the very important lookup functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, lookup, index, and match. We will also discuss some newly introduced lookup functions like XLOOKUP and understand its usage. As we progress, we learn more about formula array, data validation, advanced filter, and advanced formatting, including conditional formatting. Whether you are a business professional, analyst, or just someone looking to make sense of large data set, Pivot Table can help you summarize and analyze data with ease. In this tutorial, we will take you through the basic of Pivot Table, their benefits, and how to create and customize them to gain valuable insights from your data. Through this advanced course, our aim is to equip you with an advanced understanding of Excel and unveil its true potential to help you manage, analyze, and visualize data effectively. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of Excel.